Let's take a look at this problem. We got theta and A, B, C. And they give us theta is equal to 39 degrees and C is equal to 12 centimeters. And we want to solve the right triangle. Solving the right triangle means you find all three angles, so A, B, and C, all three sides, so A, B, and C, lowercase. Well, they tell us C is 12 centimeters, so we know that already. If I redraw this picture, the angle A is going to be opposite side A, so here's side A, so this is angle A. The angle B is opposite side B, so this will be angle B over here. This is C, so obviously this is angle C, and you see this is 90 degrees, so angle C is always 90 degrees. Now if I compare this triangle to this triangle, I see theta actually matches up to B. So when they gave us 39 degrees, they're actually giving us B. Okay, so let's find A first. All the degrees in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and if this is 90, these both have to add up to 90. So A is going to equal to 90 degrees minus B. So we've got 90 degrees minus 39 degrees, which is going to give us 50, I think 51, let me see, yeah, 51 degrees. Now that's an exact value, so I could use that in other calculations if I want to. Okay, let's find A. If I draw my triangle, here's what we're trying to find. I'm trying to find A. And they give us angle B, so I'm going to work with that. This is B. And then they also give us side C, which is right here, which is our hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the one always opposite your 90 degrees. Now in terms of angle B, this A right here is the adjacent side. So we're looking for a formula that deals with adjacent and hypotenuse. Well, that'd be cosine. So cosine of this angle is going to equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Well, B we said is 39 degrees, so we've got cosine of 39 degrees equal to adjacent, which is our A, over the hypotenuse, which we said was 12. Multiply both sides by 12, and I got 12 cosine 39 degrees is equal to A. You want to make sure your calculator's in degrees. So you can check that by going to mode and see if degree is highlighted. If it isn't, you right arrow, or you down arrow that line, right arrow, put your cursor on degree and press enter one time. And second mode, exit out. Okay, so we want to do 12 cosine of 39. It'll assume degrees for 39. And I'll take it 3 decimal places. So we've got 9.326. We have to round up. And that's A. Okay, so this will be 9.326 centimeters. Well, now let's find B. If I draw a picture again, we're given angle B, so I'll work with that. Side B is over here, and that's what we're trying to find. And this is the opposite side in relation to this. And that's going to be our B. Now they give us C, which is again our hypotenuse. So I'm looking for a formula dealing with opposite and hypotenuse, which would be sine. So sine B is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Well, B is 39 degrees. Opposite is B. Hypotenuse is C, which they told us is 12. So multiply both sides by 12. So I got 12 sine of 39 degrees is equal to B. So I got 12 sine of 39 degrees. Enter. 3 decimal places. I'll learn to speak someday. 7.552. So B is going to be 7.552 centimeters. Now let's see if these just make sense from a large to small standpoint. Our largest angle is 90 degrees. Our largest side is 12 centimeters, side C. The smallest angle is B, which is 39, which corresponds to our smallest side, which is B. So that makes sense from that standpoint. So those are our answers.